Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to fix the problem when ARP-A or is not showing other connected devices on your network. Click on Start, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. Type this command, ARP-A. Now we'll see that no other devices are showing, only limited entries. Check your network gateway. Now type ipconfig. Look for your Wi-Fi or NIC network adapter and find default gateway. In this example, it is 192.168.8.1. Type the command displayed on the screen, or copy it from the description below, then replace 192.168.8 with your router's IP range. Now run ARP-A. You should see more connected devices in the list. That's it. Now you know how to fix the issue of ARP-A not showing devices. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.